I'm gonna make a sheet pancake. So I'm gonna make the pancake batter in the blender, which makes it doubly easy. Adding in whole milk and a couple of eggs. And then 1/4 cup of sugar. It's kind of a sweet pancake batter, which is my personal preference. I'm sure that surprises you. Baking powder, right on in. I hope everything fits. And then just regular flour. Okay, I think I can get the rest of it in. It's like a smoothie, but not. And then a good amount of vanilla. Years and years ago, I was trying to figure out the secret for making pancakes that taste like pancake houses, and vanilla is the secret. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this for 30 seconds. Oops, I forgot to add butter. Okay, I'm gonna blend it again for another 12 seconds. Okay, all blended up. So I have a sheet pan smeared with a ton of butter. There's butter everywhere you turn. Oh, the handle's over here. Now I'm gonna pour the handle into the sheet pan.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna pour the batter into the sheet pan. This is a sheet pan, right? Okay, so this is really fun. So I'm going to actually arrange fruit in 3 sections. So strawberries first. Basically, the pancake puffs up around whatever topping you choose. Blueberries and chocolate chips in the 3rd. Okay, so let's put it in the oven, Alex. You ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be great. So look, woo, try not to disturb it too much. I think I already did. Here, get back over there. All right, now I'm gonna put the pan into the oven. This is an oven, right?
I think so.
And I'm gonna bake it at 425 for 25 minutes. Now, don't be disappointed that you can't see the blueberries very well. They are definitely in there. I see them. Okay, so isn't this pretty?
It is beautiful.
I just think it looks so good, but as good as it looks, that's nothing compared to how it smells, which is nothing compared to how it's gonna taste, right?
That's right.
So, what kind of pancake would you like, Mauricio?
Strawberry to make it really hard for you.
What about you, Stu?
I'll do a blueberry.
Mmm.
Wow.
You ready? Come take a bite and tell us how it is.
Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1, bite.
Wow. Delicious.